like butter, baby. Ah! Yeah. Exactly. I gotta go get 2 more. She said it was 10 and I said it was 8. But see, I'm thinking that this drawer here was like these, where it was just one. So yeah, you right again. Anyway, I'm sand this down later on tonight. Paint this right here, right there. I'm gonna go tomorrow, and I gotta get I don't have any. I gotta get a glass bit, drill bit. I'm gonna drill a hole down in here and get a light kit. See, there's so many ways to make money, man. There's so many ways to make money. This was free. Just think about that. This was free. When they got some knobs, fixed by putting this on and put this on here. Same way with this. When y'all see me put the back on that, because it came where it was broken. I had moved it. And this was broken. That drawer right there. And this I got some nails. When it got them, like I say, free. That was free, man. Come on, man. Don't tell me. This is not a game. This is not a game, man. Stay tuned.